Ever wonder why some insurance claims get stuck and take forever to process? It's probably because of status buckets. Let's break it down in simple terms. In Athena Health and other billing systems, claims go through different status buckets before getting paid. Think of them like holding zones where claims wait for action. Here are the most common status buckets. Pending review. The claim needs more information before it can be submitted. Rejected. There are missing details or errors that need to be fixed before resubmitting. Denied. The insurance company refused to pay, often due to incorrect coding or lack of documentation. On hold. The claim is waiting because some documents or approvals are missing. Paid. The claim has been processed and payment is received. So how do you fix claims that get stuck? Step 1. Regularly check your claim statuses. Don't wait for the payer to remind you. Step 2. Correct errors and missing details as soon as possible. Most rejections happen due to small mistakes. Step 3. Follow up with insurance if claims are delayed. A simple call can speed up payments. Step 4. Automate your billing system to reduce human errors. AI-powered tools can help streamline the process. Want fewer stuck claims and faster payments? We help practices fix their revenue cycle with expert billing solutions. Drop a comment or contact us today to learn more.